looking a little bit more like winter with this cool southerly breeze blowing, and it looks like there's rain on its way. Is it going to reach the coast? Let's see. You might think it's obviously a cold front causing the cool southerly breeze over the coastal areas, and you are right to some degree. We do have a cold front sliding just south of the country, but it's actually this low pressure system that's transporting the cloud and cool conditions, that southerly wind picking up over the coastal areas, and on Saturday morning pushing in a few light showers for the Western Cape, on the southern coastline, later the Eastern Cape, and into Sunday the showers and cooler conditions also reaching KwaZulu-Natal, spreading along the escarpment into Limpopo and Mpumalanga. This weekend, a few isolated thunderstorms expected over northeastern South Africa, but our wind forecast clearly showing that moderate to fresh onshore southerly wind, keeping things cool along the coast of the Western Cape, turning west along the coast and gusting on Saturday between East London and Durban. Strong winds then spreading to Richards Bay overnight into Sunday morning, when subsiding by the afternoon, but a southerly wind picking up along the west coast. On Saturday, only drizzle possible along the southern coastline and light rain at first over the coastal areas of the Western Cape and the surrounding interior. A few light showers for the Eastern Cape, with isolated showers becoming scattered, and a few thunderstorms likely over the northern and eastern areas of KwaZulu-Natal, as well as over the Highveld of Mpumalanga, and isolated thunderstorms possible from late afternoon over northwest, and this includes Gauteng. The Weather Service is warning against the possibility of severe thunderstorms. The likelihood is high, but the impact will be minor. They are warning against excessive lightning, large amounts of small hail, as well as gusting winds and a few quick heavy downpours over the Highveld of Mpumalanga. Into Sunday, it's dry over most parts of the country. A slight chance of a quick shower moving over KwaZulu-Natal. Much cooler conditions with cloudy weather and isolated showers moving into the low velds. A few thunderstorms also likely over Limpopo, moving down over the northern areas, parts of the bushveld, and isolated showers likely over the interior. A cool start to your weekend for the southwestern areas. Here in the shade of blue, minimum temperatures will be below 10 degrees the morning, only 6 in Sutherland and 9 in Graafrenet. Mild along the coast and 17 the morning in Johannesburg. Heating up the afternoon with temperatures expected in the upper 20s over the northern and eastern areas. It's still cool over the coastal towns due to that onshore flow. Temperatures only around 20 degrees, but it's hot and humid in the low veld, with maximum temperatures soaring to the mid and upper 30s on Saturday afternoon. And then into Sunday, an onshore flow cooling down KwaZulu-Natal, as well as later the low veld and a part of Limpopo. Temperatures are much cooler compared to Saturday. It's still warm with 24 in Bombela as well as Polokwane. It's going to be hot and mainly sunny in Gauteng, 31 in Pretoria, 30 in Johannesburg, and warmer weather over Western South Africa, also 31 in Springbok, and a high of 23 degrees in the mother city. Well, that's all from me, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.